This is stage 6. In stage 5, we finished the yellow phase, and now here in stage 6, we want to solve the corner pieces on top layer. We want to find the right place for corner pieces and put them in their right place. Okay, when you finish the yellow phase, if you turn your Rubik, you may see a shape like this. As you can see, these two corner pieces, they have one color. Sometimes the shape is like this, and sometimes the shape is like this. Two corner pieces with one color. In this case, you just turn the top layer and match the color of the corner pieces with the color of that face. This is green and this is green face. Like this and like this. You match it to the color of that face. So now you have two corner pieces solved. When two corner pieces are solved, you should hold the cube like this. So these two corner pieces are in the back, like this. For this Rubik, when these two corner pieces are solved, you should hold the Rubik like this. So the solved corners are in the back. Now, if you want to put these two corner pieces in their right places, you should do these movements. The movements for solving the corner pieces on top layer are a bit long, so I classified them in 4 groups, and you can see the notations here in the top. So as you can see, this corner piece, it has blue and orange, and blue and orange is here. This is the right place. And this corner piece, it has red and blue. Red and blue is on the right side, so here is the right place. So we should change the place of these two corner pieces. These are the movements for placing the corner pieces in their right place. So the yellow face should be up, and we do the movements. Don't forget that the solved corners should be in the back. R prime, F, R prime, B, B, R, F prime, R prime, B, B, R, R, U prime. And now these two corner pieces are in their right place. And as you can see, all 4 corner pieces are in their right place. And we just need to put the edge pieces in their right place. In some cases, when you finish the yellow face, if you look at your Rubik and turn your Rubik, no corner piece is solved. Okay? In this case, you should just do the movements for placing the corner pieces. And it doesn't make any difference how to hold your Rubik. Just the yellow face should be up. And you do the movements. I repeat the movements again. R prime, F, R prime, B, B, R, F prime, R prime, B, B, R, U u prime. If you do the movements, now if you look at your Rubik, two of the corner pieces, they have the same colors. Okay, we should turn them to match them with the color of the centerpiece. So this is orange and this is orange center. Now you should hold these two corner pieces in the back like this. And you do the movements again. R prime, F, R prime, B, B, R, F prime, R prime, B, B, R, R, U prime. And now, as you can see, all the corner pieces are solved and you just need to put the edge pieces in their right places. In stage 7, we will solve the edge pieces. This is stage 7. In stage 7, we want to put the edge pieces on top layer in their right places and solve the top layer and finish the Rubik. After putting the corner pieces in their right places, sometimes we have this shape. As you can see, none of the edge pieces are in their right places, and sometimes we have a shape like this. As you can see, one edge piece is in its right place, and you should just put these 3 edge pieces in their right places. Okay? When the Rubik is like this, we should hold the solved side of the Rubik in the back and do the movements for placing the edge pieces in their right places. And when none of the edge pieces are solved, it doesn't make any difference how to hold the Rubik. Just the yellow face should be up. And do the movements for placing the edge pieces. So for this Rubik, we hold the Rubik like this. So the solved side of the Rubik is in the back. And we do the movements for placing the edge pieces in their right places. As you can see, this edge piece, it has blue, and blue color is here. This edge piece, it has green, green is for here. And this edge piece, it has orange, and orange is for here. Now you can see the notations for these movements in the top part of the video. Don't forget to hold the solved side in the back. The notations are very easy. You can see them. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, R. Okay, as you can see, this Rubik is solved. But in cases that no edge pieces are solved, like this Rubik, as I told you, it doesn't make any difference how to hold the Rubik. Just the yellow face should be up, and you do the movements. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, R. Okay, now if you turn your Rubik, you can see that this side of the Rubik is solved. So we hold it in the back and do the movements again. Okay, you can see the notations. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, R. Okay, as you can see, just the orange color is solved, so we hold it again in the back and we do the movements again. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, R. And now the Rubik is solved. Notice that in this stage, you have to repeat the movements several times to put the edge pieces in their right places. Something very important about the movements for solving the Rubik. When you are holding the Rubik for doing the movements, as I told you, the yellow face should be up. And when you start your movements, the yellow face should be up and just one color in the front face should be facing you. While doing the movements, you shouldn't turn the Rubik. For example, now the orange color is facing me. To the end of the movements, the orange color should be facing me. I mean that you shouldn't turn your Rubik while you are doing the movements. This is the end of this video. You need to write the notation of movements for each stage on a piece of paper and practice them with your Rubik until you have them in your memory. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, tell me in comments, and I really appreciate it if you subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.